If you have ever been bored of the same old mouse cursor, or maybe if you're looking for a cool and custom look for your windows, you probably wanted something more fun and more personal. In this video, I will show you how to get amazing custom cursors on Windows in a very easy way. Let's do it. Make sure you open any web browser and search custom cursor. You're going to scroll down until you find this exact website that I recommend. Here you're going to look for the cursor that you want to get and you're going to click on it. You're going to go to the bottom right and click on this download icon. You have to choose if you want it to be for Windows in general or just for Chrome. For me, I'm gonna do Windows. And here you're going to go to the downloads folder and open this file. Here, click on yes. Click on OK, then next, and then you're going to click on install. And here you're gonna go back to this page and you're going to click on this Windows icon and here click on open custom cursor. And here you're going to click on apply. And as you can see here now, it's working. And this is how you can get a custom cursor. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.